CNC forehead corner combining machine. This machine is designed for the efficient and precise assembly of modern aluminum doors and windows. Controlled by an advanced numerical control NC system throughout the process, it integrates efficiency, precision, and intelligence, serving as core equipment for enhancing product quality and production efficiency. Key clamping device moves forward and backward automatically, and the window frame dimensions are adjusted automatically, enabling rapid model changeover, significantly reducing operational difficulty and setup time. The machine frame is professionally welded using end steel materials and undergoes stress relief aging treatment, resulting in high structural rigidity, resistance to deformation during long-term operation, and guaranteeing sustained accuracy and stability throughout the equipment's lifecycle. The use of a high-quality ANC system perfectly balances speed with precision, achieving the dual objectives of high-efficiency output and top-tier quality. The synchronous four-corner forming process fundamentally controls the uniformity of profile butt joints and the overall planarity. A single clamping operation synchronously completes the corner cleat-style crimping connection for all four corners of the door, window frame. The powerful and precise crimping process creates a permanent, high-strength interlock between the cleat and the profile, ensuring rigid and reliable corner joints. One-time frame assembly effectively controls the seam uniformity and planarity between profiles, ensuring every window sash is tightly spliced. This makes frame assembly quality predictable, enabling consistently high-quality output.